FOMO, the fear of missing out. Every trader knows it. Every trader has felt it. It's that restless energy that builds when you see a chart moving without you. It whispers that everyone else is making money except you. It tells you to jump in before it's too late. And that single decision, made in emotion, can destroy everything you've built. It starts small. You open your trading app. You see a market rising fast, candle after candle. You feel your pulse increase. You know you missed the early entry, but your mind says, maybe there's still time. Maybe this one will keep going. That's FOMO. Quiet, sneaky, emotional. You click buy. You feel a rush. For a second, it feels right. You're finally part of the move. But within minutes, the price reverses. What looked like a sure win turns into a painful red position. And that's when the real lesson begins. FOMO isn't about the market. It's about you. It's about how you react to opportunity and uncertainty. It's about your belief that missing out is worse than losing money. Deep down, you know it isn't true, but your brain doesn't care about logic when emotions are in control. The market moves fast, but your emotions move faster. The moment you see green candles flying, your brain releases dopamine. It's the same chemical that fuels excitement and addiction. It tricks you into thinking you're about to win big. It makes you feel alive. But that feeling isn't clarity. It's chaos disguised as confidence. Social media makes it worse. You scroll through your feed and see traders posting screenshots of massive wins, perfect entries, perfect exits. Everyone seems to be catching every move. You start believing you're the only one left behind. You compare your reality to their highlight reel, but what you don't see are their losses, the sleepless nights, the blown accounts. FOMO thrives on comparison. It feeds on your insecurity. It makes you forget that every trader has their own path, their own pace, and their own lessons. When you let comparison take over, you stop trading your strategy and start trading your emotions. The irony is that FOMO never ends well. You might catch a few good trades, but each one comes at a cost. You begin to associate profit with impulse. You start believing that quick reactions equal success. But real trading isn't about chasing, it's about waiting. It's about having the patience to watch a setup form and the courage to stay out when the risk doesn't fit your plan. Here's the truth. There will always be another opportunity. Always. The market is endless. Every day it gives new chances. But once you lose control of your emotions, those chances don't matter. Because you won't see them clearly. You'll only see what you missed, not what's ahead. FOMO creates a cycle. You chase, you lose, you feel regret. You promise yourself not to repeat it. But when another big move appears, the same feeling returns. The same voice tells you it's different this time. You jump in again and again until the damage is too deep. To break this cycle, you need awareness. You need to catch FOMO in the moment. Notice your body, the fast heartbeat, the sudden excitement, the fear of being left behind. When you feel that, pause. Step away from the screen. Take a breath. Ask yourself, is this trade part of my plan, or am I just chasing emotion? No one talks about how powerful that pause can be. It's the difference between reacting and responding, between panic and patience, between losing control and mastering it. A few seconds of awareness can save you from hours of regret. Remember, trading is not a race. It's a marathon. The traders who last are the ones who learn to sit out more than they jump in. They understand that money is made by waiting, not by chasing. Every missed trade is just another chance to protect your capital, to learn, to grow stronger. The real edge in trading doesn't come from predicting the next move. It comes from emotional control. The best traders aren't the ones who never feel FOMO, but the ones who recognize it and choose discipline over impulse. They understand that missing one trade means nothing in the long run, but losing control means everything. Emotional mastery is the true indicator of a trader's growth. Patience is not weakness, it's strategy. It's what separates gamblers from professionals. When you can sit still while everyone else is rushing in, you shift from being reactive to being intentional. You begin to see the market as a long-term game, not a quick win. That's when consistency replaces chaos, and calmness becomes your greatest weapon. Your goal isn't to catch every move. It's to make the right move, the calm move, the planned move. When you stop chasing and start observing, the market begins to slow down. You stop feeling desperate. You start seeing structure. You start thinking clearly.